Okay, so now we are going to discuss about operations performed on drilling machine as well as the process parameters, right? So operations, என்ன ஆப்ரேஷன்ஸ்லாம் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா we see drilling, reaming, boring, counter boring, counter sinking, spot facing, tapping, trepanning. So these are the operations we can make with the help of drilling machines, right? So drilling in the sense originate the hole, right? So drilling machine generally used to make a hole. So that to make a hole in a flat surface, we say it's a drilling, right? So hole make பண்றது drilling. Reaming in the sense, as I said earlier, for example, I have a drill bit dia 8 mm, but I need a 9 mm, right? So I need a 9 mm hole, but I have only 8 mm and then 10 mm drill bit. So I can make a 8 mm hole or 10 mm hole, but my objective is I need a 9 mm. So for this case, I am going to use reaming. So reaming is used to enlarge the drilled holes, right? So already இருக்கிற existing holes enlarge பண்றது we use reaming hole. So reaming hole use பண்ணி 9 mm reaming hole tool இருந்துச்சுன்னா we can enlarge the holes. That is called reaming. Again, next one is a boring. So here the same case. For example, I want a 12 mm hole, but I have a 10 mm drill bit and then 15 mm drill bit. I don't have a reamer tool. So for this case, I can use boring, right? So boring is it used to enlarge the holes with the help of single point cutting tool, right? So L shape la irukum, single point cutting tool vechi nama boring process பண்ணுவோம். We have a counter boring. So counter boring, it is used to accommodate the head of the bolt or bolt, அதாவது ஒரு screw or bolt இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா head இருக்கும். அந்த head வந்து accommodate பண்றதுக்காக we make a counter bore, right? Similarly, we see counter sinking. So counter sinking in the sense, for examples, if the head of the bolt பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா taper shapeல இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா we use counter sinking. Similarly, we have a spot facing. So spot facing அப்படிங்கிறது it is a minor metal removal. It is used to identify the hole and then it is used to align the hole, right? Align பண்றதுக்கு நம்ம spot facing பண்ணுவோம். Tapping, it is a threaded hole, right? So existing hole la thread make பண்றதுக்கு we can use tapping. So generally tapping is done by the manual, right? Manual பண்ணுவோம். So tapping அப்படின்றது hole la thread form பண்றது, right? So our internal thread. Trepanning in the sense, if it is a more than 35 mm, 350 mm, I need to make a hole. 350 mm எனக்கு hole make பண்ணனும் அப்படினா, if it is a sheet metal, ஒரு piece metal is a sheet metal அப்படினா, I can use trepanning. So trepanning is similar to draw the circle with the help of So draw the circle with the help of pencil வச்சு எப்படி draw பண்றோமோ அதே மாதிரி தான் trepanning. So instead of pencil, you can use a tool, right? Tool வச்சு draw பண்றோம். So we will see one by one. So drilling. So drilling is the operation of producing circular holes in solid metal by rotating the drill and feeding it through the jaw. This is the main operation done on this machine. So drilling அப்படின்றது it's a producing of circular holes. Screen visible இல்லையா? Sorry. Okay, so drilling, it is the operation of producing circular holes in solid metal by rotating the drill and feeding it to the jaw. Right, so it is used to send another hole produce பண்றது we use drilling. It is the main operation done on this machine, right? So reaming, again, it is the operation of sizing and shaping of hole using a tool called reamer. So sizing and shaping. So one important point is, if you want to make a reaming, you need to do drilling. So before you need to do drilling. So drilling பண்ணிட்டு தான் reamer பண்ண முடியும், right? So we cannot make a hole with the help of reamer, right? So reamer. So the reason is the reamer tools, the end பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா it's a flat end. So flat end வச்சு we cannot make a hole. But drill bit பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have a pointed end, right? So it is the operation of sizing and shaping of hole using a tool called reamer. A reamer is shown in figure. Multi-tooth tool designed for remove relatively small amount of metal from the previously drilled holes. So existing drilled hole இருக்கிற align பண்றது or கொஞ்சம் small amount of metal remove பண்றது we are going to use reamer. So reaming is done to achieve accurate hole dimensions. So reaming பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா it is used to achieve accurate hole dimension. Initially a hole is drilled slightly smaller in size. For example, I want 9 mm hole அப்படின்னா first 8 mm hole make பண்ணி smaller hole make பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் I'm going to use reamer to enlarge. The next one is a boring. Again, it is used to align the sizing and the finishing of cylindrical hole. It uses single point cutting tool, which rotates related to the stationary workpiece. So this is the boring tool. It's look like the edge பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இது single point cutting tool மாதிரி இருக்கும். So it is used to enlarge பண்றது யூஸ் பண்றாங்க hole. The hole can be aligned and sized with the good surface finish. Boring is often used to enlarge the drilled holes. Right. So the next one is a counter boring. So counter boring, it is the operation of enlarging one end of an existing hole concentric with one original hole with a square bottom as shown in figure. Right. So this is generally used for to accommodate head of the bolt or screw. Right. So if it is a bolt or it is a screw, the head portions need to accommodate. So the surface fully accommodate பண்ற மாதிரி பண்றதுதான் it's a counter boring. It is the operation of enlarging one end of an existing hole concentric with the original hole with the square bottom as shown in figure. The counter tool known as the counter bore has a pilot as shown in figure. So இதில் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா we have a pilot. இந்த front part தான் இது pilot. So என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா இந்த pilot தான் exit drill hole first insert பண்ணுவோம் and then we will make a bore. So இது எதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா aligning purpose proper align பண்றோமா அப்படின்னு. The pilot enters in previously drilled hole and align the tool so that the contour bore hole is concentric with the existing holes. So existing holes ஓட concentric இருக்கிறதுக்காக தான் we use pilot. இந்த pilot தான் first hole insert பண்ணுவோம் அப்பதான் align இந்த shift ஆகாது hole. So and then we will make a hole. The tool has an end cutting edges square with the axis produce a flat pattern. So இந்த toolல பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have end cutting edges இருக்கும். இந்த cutting edges மூலமா it will remove the material. Counter boring usually results the bolt head or nut below the surface to permit a part to operate with the obstructions, right? So இது வந்து அந்த head accommodate பண்றதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றோம். Generally counter bore has a 3 types. It may be the solid type or shell or insert type. Solid in the sense the cutter and the pilot in made by the one single piece. It has a shank, cutter and pilot in one piece or one single piece. We say it's a solid type. It is used for enlarging the holes for accommodating machine screw heads. Right? The shell. This is a 3-piece counter board consisting of holder, cutter and pilot. So shell அப்படின்றது இது மூணா பிரிக்கிறது. I mean counter holder தனியா இருக்கும், cutter தனியா இருக்கும், pilot தனியா இருக்கும். We can insert. This is called a shell. Insert type அப்படின்றது again it is also similar to shell. With some added advantages. So insert type or insert blade counter bore is used for larger size of holes. The pilot may be solid and it may be removable. So pilot வந்து remove பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம tool bit நம்ம அந்த length வந்து we can easily changes. So hole size increase ஆக cutting edges வந்து நம்ம increase பண்ணிக்கலாம். It is called counter boring. Next one is a counter sinking. Counter boring, counter sinking both are same, but the only difference is if I want a cone shaped opening, right? என்னோட bolt or nut பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த மாதிரி taper shape or cone shapeல இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அதை accommodate பண்றதுக்கு I am going to use counter sinking. So these are some of the counter sinking tools. It enlarges the top portion of an existing hole to a cone shaped opening. Counter sinking is performed after drilling to provide space for the head of the fasteners such as screw to sit flush with the workpiece surfaces, right? So அதை accumulate பண்றதுக்காக வச்சிருக்கோம். Common intruder angles for counter sink includes 60, 82, 90, 100. These are some of the angles. So we can make this kind of angles counter sink. The next one is a spot facing. It is a process of producing a flat machine surface generally around a hole perpendicular to the hole axis. So the hole axis is perpendicular the light மேல ஒரு சின்ன removal பண்றது தான் spot facing. So எதுக்காக பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா for this case எனக்கு போல்ட் கெட் வந்து அக்காமடேட் ஆகக்கூடாது, எனக்கு வெளியே தான் தெரியணும் அப்படின்னா அந்த எட்ஜோட அந்த போல்ட் கெட்டோட எட்ஜஸ் சீட் ஆகிறது மட்டும் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா we can say spot facing. This flat surface allows the bottom of a screw or bolt to sit squarely with the material. So correct seat ஆகிற மாதிரி பண்றது. Spot facing is commonly done on castings where irregular surfaces are found. So spot facing அப்படின்றது நம்ம செப்பரேட்டா ட்ரில்லிங் மிஷின்ல பண்ணாம கூட சம்டைம்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா கேஸ்டிங்ஸ்ல மேக் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. So spot facing may be performed on a drill press with the counter bore of suitable size of the productions. Okay, the next one is a tapping. It is a thread cutting, right? So if I have a hole, existing hole, I want an internal thread, so I can use tapping. It's a thread cutting for producing internal thread. Tapping uses multi-point cutting tool called a tap. May be done manually or machine like drill. So manual பண்ணுவாங்க, drill பண்ணுவாங்க. In our college we will do manually. So the tapping attachment used with the drill permits to forward rotation of the tap when it's cutting and fast reverse rotation of the withdrawal. So we have a special attachment called tapping attachment. So on the tapping attachment வச்சிட்டு நம்ம correct tapping குள்ள கனெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு rotate பண்ணோம் அப்படினா automatically tool will exert உள்ள insert ஆகும். Right? So next one is a tree panning. It is similar to draw the circle with the help of compass. Only difference is instead of a pencil, here we are going to use some tool. So it is generally used to the hole diameter more than 350 mm. If the hole diameter is more than 350 mm, then we go to tree panning. Only limitation is the metal is to be the sheet metal. The thickness may be the 10 mm or 20 mm, not more than that. So generally it's a sheet metal, right? So this is the tree panning tool, right? So this is similar to our compass, right? This is the tree panned component. A small diameter hole is drilled in center for drilling the large diameter of hole. The pilot, this is the pilot. The pilot of tree panning tool is fitted into the hole, and the length are adjustable on straight to the radius of the hole to be cut. So the other will insert பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு rotation கொடுத்தோம் அப்படினா கட் ஆகும். So these are some of the operations: reaming, tapping, counter boring, counter sinking, spot facing, boring, drilling, and tree panning. So again, the last topic is process parameters. So for every machine, we are going to study the process parameters. There are main 4 process parameters. One is speed, feed, depth of cut, and then machining time. So cutting speed. In lathe, cutting speed is the rotation of the workpiece. But here, the rotating part is tool. So it is a peripheral speed of the drill. The rotating part of the drill, we say it's a cutting speed. It is also called by the V equal to by dn. D stands for dia of the drill. N stands for speed of the rotation in RPM. Right? So if you mention in diameter in mm, you need to mention V equal to by dn by 1000. Right? So the meter la irukku adanaல we mention by dn. இப்போ mm la irundhuchu அப்படினா கீழ divided by 1000 நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணுவோம் cutting speed. So lathe la வந்து cutting speed அப்படிங்கிறது again the speed of the workpiece. Right? So the rotation of the workpiece. But drilling பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் workpiece வந்து stationary, drill bit la rotate ஆகும். So the rotation of the drill bit தான் we say it's a cutting speed. The next one is a feed. It is a movement of the drill along the axis. So எவ்வளவு தூரம் மூவ் பண்றோம். So feet per minute வேணும் அப்படினா feet per revolution in minute. ஒரு மினிட்டுக்கு ஒரு mm க்கு எவ்வளவு ரெவல்யூஷன், ஒரு மினிட்டுக்கு எவ்வளவு ரெவல்யூஷன் இருக்கு. ரைட்? So ஒரு மினிட் ஒரு ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1 மினிட்டுக்கு அந்த எவ்வளவு லெந்த் நான் மூவ் பண்றேன், மூவ்மெண்ட் drill axis எவ்வளவு மூவ் பண்றேன், அதான் வந்து the movement of the drill along the axis. So feet per minute, SR by N. SR stands for feet per revolution. The next one is the depth of cut. The distance from the machine surface to the drill axis. Right? So depth of cut அப்படிங்கிறது எவ்வளவு கீழ டெப்த் கொடுக்கிறோம். So machined surfaceக்கும் drill machined surface வந்து எவ்வளவு unmachined surface எவ்வளவு கீழ drill மூவ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். The distance from the machined surface to drill axis. It can be calculated by the D by 2. The final issue is that length machining time. It is a time to complete one job. So machining time அப்படிங்கிறது it is a time required to complete one job. It depends on the length of the hole to be drilled. So எவ்வளவு lengthக்கு நான் hole drill பண்ண போறேன் அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இருக்கு. So the formula is L divided by SR into N. So SR stands for feet per revolution, right? So N stands for SM. So in other way, SR into N we say it's a SM, right? So feed. அப்போ machining time அப்படிங்கிறது length of the travel of drill divided by feed. It is called machining time. So அங்க வந்து L divided by F into N வரும். So L divided by SR by N. This is called process parameters of machining time.